Okay, back to work on my level selection screen. So since yesterday I've like changed out the sprite for the arrows here, for the lines here, so you can see the direction, right? This is the linear progression from level to level. And yeah, I'm gonna tweak it a bit. I'm gonna tweak it. Seems fine. Let me check if my alpha value is working properly or not. Try putting 0.25. Whoa, what happened to my... What happened? Hmm. 0.5? Oh wow, it's just really faint. Okay, interesting. So I assume this should look like the original sprite. Okay. Okay, let's see how much this changes. Okay, so the arrows here are a lot clearer, right, compared to the ones here. Is this fine? Maybe I should change the color as well. Maybe I should change the color as well. Or maybe not. And the problem is on different monitors, right, the color appears different. So it's a little hard to standardize, eh? It's okay, I'll probably keep it like this. So now I should probably draw a Jerboa here. Let's see, what's my plan? What's my plan? So this is the latest level that I've yet to play, right? So I'm thinking there's the button. I'm thinking I should have the Jerboa here. My god, I can't draw. Right, and it's just pacing around in a circle. Yeah, maybe I should do that. That'll appear a little bit cuter, maybe. Give the game a bit more of a personality. Restart all. This seems fine, I think. I think the color of this grey buttons need to change to be slightly darker. It's a bit too bright, I feel. Let me change it up a bit. Where's my pixel edit? There we go. Oops. Okay. Hey, Kalazor! How are you doing? How you doing? Still eating breakfast, I'll be back in 5. Okay, have a good breakfast. Let me just save this, import it. Hello, Ayanyang. I'm doing okay. How about you? I'm just working on the level selection. I'm changing up how the progression works. How about you? How's your day? It's going great. Nice. Today is Wednesday, right? Hump day. Yeah, it's the middle of the week. Let's see, I need to import a street image. This one. Oh, forgot the dimensions. $29.31. There we go. 1, 2. Convert. Okay. Yeah, I'm changing up the level selection, making it such that it's no longer completely open. Like it used to be that you can just select any levels to play. I've changed it to be like linear, at least within the world itself, right? The progression must be, you start from level 1 and then proceed to level 2 and so on and so forth. It seems to simplify like teaching the player how to play the game. So I end up going with that. But the thing is, you don't really need to beat all of the levels in order to proceed to the next world. So that part is important to me. I want to maintain that at the very least. There you go. Connect the keys. The harder levels will be optional. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Because I had that problem with my previous game. You may get stuck in one of the levels and mobile audience, the mobile gamers, like I think for most part they are a bit more casual, right? For most part, not everyone is like that, but I think the general mobile gamers are a bit more casual. So once they are stuck at a level, they will just move on to the next thing. Yeah. So that happened to serious scramblers. You can see a lot of people stop playing the game after level 8 and after level 16, because those are the harder levels. So for this one, I want to see if I want to see if I can avoid that problem. Okay, let's see. Probably also mobile games tend to be played very shortly for each session too. That is true. That is true too. That is true too. So far, Serious Scramblers and for Jump Joboa, I think the play sessions are designed to be short, especially for this one, because like the level can be beaten in a very short amount of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, goodness. 1, 2. Okay, careful. There you go. Actually, I've never tested like what will happen if I beat all the levels. I think it might crash. Let me check. I might have forgotten to do something. Beat this level. beat this one. Yeah, this is a weird level. Okay. There we go. I missed it. I missed it again. There you go. Last one. Let's see if it crashes. Let's see if it crashes. Hello, Calazor. Oh crap! I almost died. Okay. Seems fine. No crashing. That's good. Time to look into Jason. What are you using JSON files for? Save data? I see. Yeah, I'm using that too. Let me check out my save data. I hope I didn't mess it up. App data. No wait, it's not under. Oh wait, it is under app data. One button platformer. There we go. I use INI. Oh, INI is for the level data, I think, level details. Yeah, but I have this JSON file. There we go. What the? Oh, okay. There we go. Just saving some data. Yeah, I need to save all of the collectibles. I think that's one of the key element of the game. I need to make sure that you cannot like recollect the collectibles. That's one thing. Is that done with a struct? It's not. You mean like when reading the data in? Hang on, I have this persistent data manager. I kind of did it like very naively. I just read everything into a string, right? And then I use JSON decode, and then all of the information will be inside this map. So there is a map of maps. Yeah, this one, msave data. This is the one. This is the map, and it supposedly stores everything in here. Everything here. Right, so I write some helper functions to access the data, like is collected. So this will allow me to know if a particular collectible within a level has already been collected or not, simply by checking the map itself. I think I've written this quite a while ago. Oh, just asking because there's a lot of structs with JSON, but it seems like they are 2.3.1 plus onwards. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with that. Like structs with JSON, is it like supported by? I mean, like does GML have like any functionalities or any functions that is provided to make that easier for us? It is now. I see. That's cool. JSON stringify. JSON. Oh man, I've never seen this before. Let's check this out. There we go. Google Chrome. You can convert single or nested structs and arrays into a valid JSON string. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Nested structs, so structs within structs. Converting into a JSON string, blah blah blah. This function will not convert DS maps. The one I'm using is for maps and lists. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, hello, Zuzuzuk. How's it going? Just working on the mundane stuff. I'm working on UI again. Never done with UI. Goodness. Now I think this looks a bit too yellow. Goodness. Let me see if I can change this. Pretty chill day. Been in bed most of the day. Hey, sounds great. Sounds like a perfect day. Chill day is the best day. Okay, need to settle this. Oh man, I'm not good with colors, man. There we go. Export it again. Import it into GameMaker again. There we go. Not sure if this looks okay. It looks a bit too... not... it doesn't look like it's inactive. Ah, damn. Taking a while to compile. Okay, there we go. Not this level, this one. I guess this looks okay. Maybe not. Let me change it up a bit. Actually, you'll be doing saving later today. Haha, nice. How's the... are you working on the hookshot game still? Don't want to do boring stuff so early in the morning. It sends you back to sleep. Oh yeah, that is true. That is true. I hate working on file passing as well. File passing, UI, those are like very mundane stuff. Maybe this is better. Did your second devlog? Oh, then I should check it out. Damn, I've yet to do my second devlog. It's been 2 months already. Time flies. Import. I'll be checking out your devlog later. Okay. Now it looks a bit more grayed out. Okay, next up would be drawing the Jerboa, I guess. Jerboa in level button. What the? Level button. So again, I want the character to be running around on top of the button. Let's see if I can do that. Oh, you're always around. Let me make you a VIP. Since I have like enough slots. It's just a fun thing to do. I'm not entirely sure what it offers. Okay, let's see. Wow. Google Chrome is loading. It's taking a while to load. What the heck? Slow. So slow. Zook. Hang on, just make sure that I need to make sure I didn't spell it wrong. Zuzuk. Zuzuk looks about right. Okay, done. Okay, what I need to do now is to draw the sprite. Let me think. Let's see. Elapse. No. Yes, no. I don't know. What should I do here? Let me think, Animation elapse. Oh wait, I already have an elapse here. Oh man. I just realized my naming convention is not consistent. M elapse. There's an M here. But there isn't any prefix for the rest of the variables. Oh my goodness. What am I doing? It's okay, I'll keep this elapse. Draw Jerboa. I guess I'm gonna have to start the whole project again with the correct variable names. No! Never. Draw Jabua. Draw it in a circle. Let me just use a static sprite first. Let's use run. But I will not worry so much about animating it yet. Draw sprite. I use the first frame. Wow, it's so lag, what the heck? Why is it so laggy? It's so laggy. Yeah, I just added it. Since you're always here, right, and I have like slots available, I thought why not? It's just a fun thing. Thanks for always hanging around. Thank you. Player run 0xy blah blah blah. I am going to draw this Jaboa. Something I don't like is that I have this part copy and pasted. But if I'm just copy and pasting it once, it should be okay. Most of the time, you don't understand the technical aspect of game dev. Yeah, it just takes a while to get used to. But the really cool thing, how do I put it? The really cool thing about game dev is that I realized a lot of the secondary school mathematics that were taught it was actually super useful for games. It's just that when we were taught back then, right, it's never really like its application was never really explained. Right, so I think when I was a kid, right, it just feels a lot like memorizing a bunch of equations that is not very useful. But yeah, but now I see its use. It's super cool. And I wish they actually explained the application of all of those equations way back. Here run 0xy blah blah blah. Oh wait, I need an offset as well. It was more like they were just reading what was said by the curriculum type thing. Yeah, that's so true, right? That's so true. It's like I think in some sense, right? I think our local education sector, it feels like the focus is, how do I put it? Let me think. How do I put it? I think the focus is too much on the letter grade. Like oh no, you must get good grade, but sometimes it's getting good grade doesn't necessarily mean that the students have like a deep enough understanding of the subject matter, I feel. Alright, I think it has to go beyond that. I have trouble expressing my thoughts on this matter. Makes sense that they don't expect. I don't even think teachers have any knowledge as to what goes into the different industries. That is true too. That is true. Then again, it's like 1 out of 20 kids in the classroom that will look into game dev. Yeah, but then the math itself is not just applicable in game dev only, right? Like there's simulations, a lot of the movies that we watched, I mean, uses math to an extent. Uses a lot of math. Computer graphics. Oh, the Jerboa is here. Oh my god, I can't see the Jerboa. Oh no. Yeah, I can't see the Jerboa. I need to draw a new one. Okay, let me draw a new one, just to see how it feels. I think when we were younger, I remember, like, teacher would say, like, these are the stuff that will come out in the exam, memorize this. Which feels like the wrong mindset to have. Oh hey Amanda. Especially in SG where grades is like the holy grail. Right. Yeah. Ah, there we go. Wait, hang on. How's your day, Amanda? I need to re-export this. This is 1010. There we go. Oh crap. Oh crap. Not good. Hang on. New number of tiles 3, 1, 10, 10. Paste. Okay, this is what I want. Then I'm going to expand the tiles by 1 pixel on the left and right side, center it, expand. Yes. Now I can draw the outline. Hello, Chow! You're gonna be on the next Friday indie soapboxing. Oh, it's next Friday? Awesome, I'll be there. Hey, thanks man, thanks Xiao. Wow, it looks so weird. I think it looks a bit better if it's smaller. Ah, there we go. There you go. Let's call it player outline. Run. And then I'm gonna toss it into the folder without organizing it, as usual. Kind of have a anything goes approach with this project because it's supposed to be a side project, but yeah, I hope that doesn't come back and bite me in the butt. Okay, Sprite. Player. Outline, run. I should probably move this into the player folder. Oh wait, I don't have a player folder. Oh my god. Never mind. $12, $10, 0, 0. There you go. You literally heard from friends before there are parents who complain to school why their kids didn't get a... yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a problem. I think full-time poly lecturers has probably encountered issues like this before. Level button. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that is so true, Amanda. Yeah, it's the mindset is like not quite right. Okay, let's see. Now I just need to make it run in circles. Hello, Nanораmus. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. Hello, thanks for dropping by. I'm working on my little one button platformer. I can show my build. Let's see, where's my build? Oh wait, there we go. This is my build. Hi Nano. Oh hey. Thanks for dropping by, Nano. Let me run the build. See, I'm working on this mobile game. Called Jump Joboa. It's a one-button platformer. There you go. It's a one-button platformer, you know, the character just runs left and right, and then you just have to time your jump by pressing the button right at the bottom of the screen. There are like various mechanics, so you know there are levels like this. right? So that there are like portals on the left and right side of the screen. No, there are levels like that. Yeah. Am I Danish? Oh no, I'm Singaporean. Need some advice from me regarding an offer you got Oh, sure. Hang on, recently I've been working on oh, no, not this one. Hey, where's my Canon? Right, I've been working on let's have a simpler one. I stole the mechanic from Donkey Kong. Right, so that's another way of traversing the level. Oops. Hang on, I forgot where to, oh, there we go. Huh. Yeah, so I'm just working on like more levels at the moment, as well as like tweaking up the UI. Thanks, Nano. Thank you so much. Yeah, I've been working on this for like a few months on a part-time basis, and I'm hoping to release this game on the App Store and on Google Play within 3 months, hopefully. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. What engine am I using? I'm using GameMaker Studio 2. GameMaker Studio. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. A GameMaker Studio. It's I find it to be a very easy to use engine. Yeah. I've been using it for the past. Been using it for my previous project as well. It seems pretty good. It also has support for. It has support for multiple platforms. Mobile, HTML5, even consoles. Yeah. Although, to be frank, the support for web and mobile is not always that great. Yeah. Three months, something to look forward to. Thanks. But the truth is, my track record at meeting deadlines is pretty bad. I'll try my best. Yeah, I'll try my best. I think the game is about half done at the moment. You think they are updating their mobile stuff? Oh, hopefully that'll make things easier. It's easy to use. Personally, you use Unity, and you think it has one of the most perfect balance between easy to use and powerful engine. Right. Yeah, definitely most of the indie scene is using Unity, right? I have a lot of developer friends who suggest that I should use Unity as well, because the support for it, for the various platforms is a lot better. Yeah, I've thought about it. But I think I will use Unity if I'm doing 3D. Yeah, at least that's the plan for now. Amanda, you put your free 8-bit action music pack. Schedule the emails. Oh, cool. So it's out. It's almost out. Oh, sorry, I missed out the roadmap. Let me give it a look. Opera acquired Yo-Yo Games, right? So, what do you think that means for the future of GameMaker? I think this is cool. Nice slice. That's nice. Right, of course, Unity has this since forever. Nice slice. Everything's gonna be a web game. Oh no! I mean, oh yes, actually, I think GameMaker needs to improve its support for web. ID gonna turn into web app. Unity's audio capabilities cannot compare to Unreal. Oh, is that true? I see. Replace OpenTK Matter for runtime. This is a iOS thing, right? I think. I'm not so sure. Consolidation. What is consolidation? Process we go through focusing on fixing bugs and making the IDE more stable. Replace OpenTK with SDL2. This is what we use to render the IDE. Interesting. Then they upgrade their graphics pipeline to URP and everything breaks. Console update. I'm looking forward to this Google Mobile Ads extension. They have not updated this in a long time. Goodness. Okay, cool. A lot of pro devs, you know, who use Unity uses old versions like 2018 or below. I see. I'm still using those, eh? Hey, thanks for the follow, Nano. Thanks so much. No, you're too kind, Chow. Every time audio people work on something, oh shit, that's not working, it's okay, we don't need it. Just need to test if audio works. I see. Gonna get your clothes washing. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, now where am I? Player outline run. Oh yeah, I need to do this. Let's see. Radius equals to 10, 12, 10, 10. Sensei? Me no sensei. I'm just a struggling developer trying to make it work. Okay, let's see. X. No. X, Y. Ah, okay, got it. Hang on. How do you make your game go? Also, how do you sell 1 million copies? Explain marketing. That's the one thing I don't know. Oh, that's one out of many things I don't know. Marketing. Scariest question ever. Let me think. M elapse times 10. Anger equals to. You're gonna become a tutor officially soon. $100 an hour. Holy crap, that's a lot. Nice. Where is that? Yeah, it's definitely a good idea to have a side income while you're working on your indie game. Private tutoring. Nice. Congratulations. Yeah, see ya, Nano. Thanks for hanging out, man. Thank you so much. Please feel free to share your work. When you have something you want to show us. Draw Jerboa, radius 10, angle. Not sure what I'm doing. Let's run it. Yeah, my Discord list is also getting a bit hard to manage because I have for each module every year, not every year, every semester, I have like a Discord server for just for the class. Like over time, it's gotten a bit difficult to manage. Oh, it's rotating so slowly. Speaking of going live, you have to provide SGGA your logo by tomorrow. Aha. Oh, I always assumed the logo is your face. that pixel art face. Wow! What is this? Let me change it up. That's a bit too much. That's a bit too much. Excuse me. Oh, the logo for Total Carnage. I see, I see. It's next Friday, right? Do you know the time yet? It's night time, right? If I recall correctly. Wow, that looks a bit crappy. Let me see, eh? It's a work in progress, but I need to figure out the placement. Excuse me. Doesn't look right. Let me shift it a bit higher. Ugly code. Oh, it's 8 PM? I see. So much stuff going on, it's a bit hard to manage. Yeah, it's okay to take a breather sometimes. You wish you could just work on your game, that'll be the end of that. I know, right? I know, right? Don't we all, right? Like that's the thing we want to do most, right? Which is just to make the game and let people play it. But if you want to make it a business, there's so many other things you have to do. Yeah. Hi, Kalazor. I need to flip the sprite around, I just realized. Oops. XY. Scale. 1, 1. Rotation 0. Color. Set it to be the original color. Alpha value fully opaque. Though like showing it off during support is great, but you meant more like you have to do a lot of other side stuff in the coming weeks. Ah, I see what you mean, I see what you mean. X skill. Eventually, right, I'm going to get to the part of like this game that I would really hate, which is the ads. Like, I have to integrate the ads in there at some point. Yeah, there's nothing fun about doing that. Yeah. For serious scramblers, I used an ad mediation platform, and maintaining that plugin is a lot of work, I feel. So this time I'm just going to use AdMob, and that's it. Just one ad provider. Unity makes it fairly easy in that regard. Yeah. If I'm using Unity, right, it would have made it a lot easier because it's much better supported. Right, whereas for GameMaker, right, like all of those ad mediation platforms don't have a plugin for GameMaker, so I have to write it myself. And it's and every few months, right, then something will change, and I have to maintain it. Yeah. Now I'm not even going to bother with maintaining it, right, at the moment. What is the reason that I need to include ads in the game? It's very much based on how the market is like. I suppose I have two choices, which is I either make it a premium game, which means you have to like pay a small amount to get the game on mobile, or I make the game free. Alright, and the only way to make money from a free game would be through ads and through in-game purchases, right? Yeah, but for a game like mine, where the scope is pretty small, there's multiple levels for you to play through, the most straightforward manner of monetization is through ads. Yeah, and that's why I'm doing that rather than making it a premium game. Because, like, if we look at the figures, right, of mobile games, for mobile game sales, premium game don't. Most of the time, premium game don't make much, unless you are like one of the like bigger titles. Yeah, so that's the reason why I'll have to integrate advertisement into the game. That part was painful due to all the integration required. Yeah. It's hard to get people to buy a mobile game, but there are people who's made it. Of course, there are people who's made it work, right? But a lot of them are outliers, And if you look at all the games that has like that made it work, right? Despite being a premium game, my game is nothing like theirs. Yeah. And they either have this strong narrative element, or like outstanding graphics and all of this stuff. A game of a small scope like mine, it would be suicide, right, for me to make it a premium game. or Downwell, right? But Downwell managed to get the backing of Devolver, right? Yeah. So I mean, if you have these huge publishers, I mean, like if your game, like you manage to attract a huge publisher and you have the backing of a major publisher, then your risk of going premium on the mobile market is significantly lower, I think. Big brain account or something. Again, right, budget. They have a pretty big budget. Right, exactly. What budget do I have? What budget do I have? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm familiar with Moplin. We actually follow each other on Twitter. I think like I followed him before he blew up. Then he followed me back, and I've been tracking his progress. It was amazing, right? Seeing like someone who's never really made game, right, make that kind of progress in 13 weeks. It's crazy. He's one of your indie dev heroes. Yeah, it's amazing, right? Then he went on to Nintendo. Right, but he's out of Nintendo now, right? I think he's working on his next thing. Though I'm not sure. Yeah. You love the talk he gave to Fantastic Arcade. Oh, I wasn't aware he gave a talk. I should check it out. Let me put it under watch later. Thanks for sharing, man.
So
he explains his entire journey. Ah, yeah, I read about his journey from an article. Where's that article from? I cannot remember. If the angle is lesser than 180. No. Let me think. Excuse me. There was also a documentary on Japanese indie developers called Branching Path. Oh, I've heard of that. Ah. Cool. I'll find the time to look it up. It's the only Steam product you did a review of. I see. Can I do this? Remember that game Jono posted on my Discord that we could play instead of... Ah, right. It started out as just one guy. Right, what's that? What's the game called again? Unturned, right? Okay, let's run this. The guy who made it was 17 when he released. It's crazy, right? It's amazing, all those young talents. I had a ex-student. I managed to help him when he was like 11. He put together a 3D platformer in Unity at 11 years of age. I look at it and I'm like, wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. It's a full-fledged platformer. I mean, it's playable. It's entirely playable. It's in 3D, and yeah, it's crazy. He's really passionate about it. Let's see. Student is 14 and is picking up stuff super fast. Yeah, I know, right? All this young and passionate and talented. Okay, let's see. This one. Oh my god, it looks so weird. It's so weird. It's so weird. Of course, I'm only going to have one of this, but it's still... I don't know. Oh, it's because it's not animating. Got it. It's because it's not animating. I think. It better be that. Recently went through proc jam methods and drunkard walks algorithm. He did a jam where you scream into a mic. Oh, is that one? I see. Didn't know what game that was until you're 22. Yeah, the new generation starts really early, right? I started learning programming when I was 17. Charles started super early, eh? 8. Crazy. Okay, let's put in the frame number. Game is still online, that's great. Took a break to learn programming, learn PHP, MySQL around 10 to 11. Let's check this out. So weird. So weird. Let me make it slower. Oh, this magic number. Magic number. Dude, Chow, please no. I'm bad at coding as well. Alright, I'm always... I'm the type that just wants to make things work and then that's it. That's it. Do you not see my magic number everywhere? I mean, I'm just happy with making things work. Okay, it's a bit slower now. Okay. Okay, run this, run this. Wait a second, I need to push it out higher. 4? Nah, not big brain. It's not big brain. It's just trial and error. Trial and error over time. It's a bit too close to the edges, isn't it? Let me make it a bit smaller. Like maybe 9. I think I will stick with this for this. I mean, ignore the rest. This one seems okay. Maybe I need to put some shadow below. Maybe. What is it I need to do again? Oh, right. I need to make it not show up on every single button. Oh, how do I do that? Excuse me. How do I do that? To be honest, you feel a bit overwhelmed recently. Lots of good opportunities pop up and you're very fortunate. Also very, very busy. Right, don't forget to take a break when you need to. And when opportunities come out, I think you have to be careful about them as well. Yeah, if a contract is involved, definitely scrutinize it. Yeah. Oops, accidentally trigger sticky key. That's why, because we didn't scrutinize contracts, right? We didn't understand stuff like exit clause and everything. So we didn't think too much about it, and then we signed a few contracts that we regret signing. So yeah, be careful about that. For contracts, you are basically getting extra lawyers. Cool. There's this Aussie dude that I think is 21 now. He's making this game you think it's making the rounds around Reddit. What game is it? Let me check. Way to the Woods? Way to the Woods? Oops, hang on. Oh, that's very fancy. Fancy graphics. It reminds me of that Fox game, right? The graphics in general. It's very fancy. Looks fantastic indeed. Hang on, eh? I need to change this show flag. Just correct this. Display. I don't know how to name it. Display option. Display stuff. Display flag. Display option. There you go. I need to change this. There we go. Display option equals to flag. Display option additional. Additional display dot flag. And I need to do this as well. Ooh, what y'all talking about? Oh, the dude work on that Deer game when he's like 15 or 16. It's impressive. Still in high school. Oh, nice. wrong one. Jaboa. Insane in the membrane, as they say. I've never heard of that saying. I see. Okay, let's run this. Hey, no, I cannot run this. Poop. Hang on. Find all. Okay, good. It's here. Where's the init? Where's my init? Where's my init when I need it? Oh, there we go, it's here. Level beaten. Level beaten. Level beaten. If level is beaten, then I will set the flag. You know what? It's a bit messy to write in here. Display flag. Oops. I think the Fox game, the guy used visual coding all the way through, right? I'm not entirely sure. It's possible because it's an artist by trade, right? I think that's the cool thing. That's the cool thing about how like accessible game dev is now. That you know, like if someone really wants to, they can just pick it up and make something. I respect that a lot. And I like that it's accessible now, so we can see a lot of different people making different things. It still sucks. Yeah, but it makes things more accessible for people who don't want to type codes. Yeah, so that's a good thing for them. Display flag. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, there we go. Found it. Jaboa, there we go. Jaboa. Put it here, run it. You were forced in school to use Blueprint for an Unreal class. You decided to make a procedural generated city in Blueprint. I see. Wow, y'all were taught Unreal? That's so cool. Where is the Jaboa? Oh my god, where's the Jaboa? Where's the Jaboa? What the? Why is it so buggy? It's so buggy. Why is it so buggy? Wow, there's 3 of you. That's hilarious. Oh my god. It's because I'm dumb. Hang on. There we go. Decided it's okay since most indie dev cannot afford your risk, just make packs to sell. That's definitely a more indie friendly approach. You know, most indie developers don't actually make money at all. Okay, I think I have something. Oh hey, thanks for the follow, Nano Bleed. Hello. You might be working with this musician for your game. He worked with Capcom on some stuff. Ah. Hello, Nano Bleed. I saw the coincidences. You are the second Nano to drop by today. Hang on. Let me show you my game. We are Legion. I'm making a simple, like, small game, a mobile-centric title called Jump Jaboa. There we go, Jump Jaboa. And it's a one-button platformer. So essentially, right, if you go to the initial levels, oh, hang on, this is the earlier build. You know, all you have to do is press one button to jump. So the characters will move automatically. When it hits a wall, it will you know, turn in the opposite direction. And I'm at the point where I'm just adding more mechanics. So for a level like this, right, there are like portals on the left and right side of the screen that you can go through. Right, there are spikes and whatnot. And the goal is always to, you know, go through the door. And of late, I've been working on like more mechanics, like a cannon, you know, similar to the ones in Donkey Kong. I've been like combining cannons with other stuff. Like oh, hang on, where's that level that nearly made me crazy? Ah, this one. Not this one, but the one after. Yeah, but you know, like, I find it fun to start combining like different mechanics. Like, for example, you can fire a cannon at a moving wall, right? That will bounce you towards the exit. Then there's this one here. This one, can I do it again? Let me see. Almost went crazy the last time I tried this. Hang on. Ah, you love the transition. Hey, thanks. The transition is I'm drawing like a shape, right? And growing it to make it cover the screen, and then upon covering the screen, I switch to a different scene. So it's all just smokes and mirrors. So when I change to a different scene, right, I make sure I draw like a huge shape that cover the whole thing, and then I shrink it Yeah, so it's all smokes and mirrors. So is this mainly a mobile game? At the moment, I'm making it how do I put it? I'm just focusing on making it a mobile game. But depending on the response, right? Like if it does well as a mobile game, then I might bring it to Steam as well. But of course, I'll have to revamp the UI and whatnot. Okay. Thank you. Amanda, that is not true. I can beat this level. I've beaten it before. I have beaten it before. Oops, sorry. Pro gamer. So many things I can do. Cannot show my face. Yeah, I cannot show my face. Oh yeah, let me do some touch up. Am I making GMS? Oh yes, I'm making GMS 2. You wanted to make games with GMS 1.4. You bought for like $5, but then they deprecated it. Yeah. So you're using Godot now since it's free. Godot. I heard a lot of good things about it. How's it like using Godot? I would love to know. Every person you know who went from GMS 2 to Godot prefer Godot. Wow. Yeah, I think I will try it out at some point. It's like something between GMS and Unity, in your opinion. It's much nicer for 2D than Unity, and you can also make simple 3D games if you want. Nice. Nice. I remember someone came on stream and said that he thinks the scene graph feature in Godot is what makes it like worth it. It's like it's easy to control the updates of all your entities or something like that. I really want to check it out one day. There's a 3D game being made called, how do you pronounce that? Raw Flash? That's cool. That's really cool. My concern would be that if you want to bring it to consoles, right, the Nintendo Switch, are you able to do it by yourself, or like do you have to rely on like third-party support? Ah, I see. There are a few Switch Godot games. Cool. Are they all ported by the same company? I imagine they would be, right? Not sure. I see. You think there's one company that ports Godot games to Switch? Nice! There's one company that ports a lot of games. They might also have ported Godot games. They are Ratalaika. Like, I've worked with them once, but it seems like their reputation is pretty good, right? But I think in my case, I kind of drew the short end of the stick, because when we signed the contract, I think they were still working on their backend, right? Their engine backend, and it took a long time. It took 3 years to port the game. Had we done it ourselves, it would have been done much earlier. But yeah, I mean, that's just part and parcel of working with a third party. Yeah, but rather like, I mean, aside from this one thing, I think they had a pretty good reputation. I wonder if there are other companies. Let's see. Oh wow, it's taking forever to build. There we go. You're having sushi while chilling. Oh, that's great. Do I make all the games by myself, or do I have a team? Oh, it depends on what game it is. So my very first commercial game, I actually made it with like a couple of friends. Let me see if I can show you. Just a moment. So my very first commercial game is called Space Jacked. That one I made under this label called Rotten Mage, which is like formed together with a bunch of friends. This one, Space Jack. Right, so we made it for Steam, right, and then like my buddy John, right, ported it by himself to PS4 and PS Vita, right, and then we had Ratalaika port it to the other two platforms. So the game is basically action, tower defense title, like a mixture of two genres. And so you're basically this engineer, right, that have to run around from arena to arena and prevent the aliens from attacking the ship's core. So it's a very hectic game. Right, so while you're fighting in this one arena, right, somewhere else can be attacked, and then you have to teleport to the next room, so on and so forth. So it's a while ago we made this, like, we released this in 2016 on Steam, I think. That was a long time ago. So this is my very first commercial game. Then afterwards, after that I've been just working on my own personal projects. So I wouldn't say like, I mean, I'm mostly solo, but like not entirely solo, because I depend on a composer for the music, and sometimes for promotional artwork I do work with a friend for that. So these are some of my web games, right? This one I sold the web, I got a web sponsorship from Spill Games. Is it Spill Games? Yeah, Spill Games. It's a long time ago, right? Like Flash Games is dead. Then I have this like small little mobile project. My first mobile game I did mostly by myself. Then I work on Serious Scramblers, which is I was a little bit more serious about this one. I approached the iOS editors, right, trying to get them to promote the game and stuff. Oh my god, Kaiser! Hello! Just wondering what I call back. Yeah, it's such a long time ago, right? I can't believe it's been so long. I want to make like a multiplayer version of this someday. Thanks for dropping by, man. Am I a full-time game developer? Unfortunately, no. Because I have like serious trouble making money from my games. Like it's not sustainable for me. So I'm doing it part-time. So I juggle game development with my part-time work. But my goal would be that hopefully I can become a full-time game dev in the future. Yeah, at the moment I'm doing it part-time. What? You played Dev Cabin? Oh yeah, Dev Cabin was a fun little side project. Because when we were developing Space Jack, there were times where we run into this roadblock, right? Like in terms of design, and then it's super draining. You know, we have to work through the mental block and whatnot. And during that time, I just work on a side project, right? Dev Cabin. Yeah, it's a side thing that it's basically a venue for me to vent. Yeah. Occasionally you need side projects like that. They play a long time ago. I released it on GameJolt. And it got featured on GameJolt, if I recall correctly. And yeah, and I was very surprised by like some of the response. You know, like there are some really young gamers, right, who got into this gaming scene and game dev scene because of their love for Five Nights at Freddy's, right? So I got like a lot of requests for me to put like monsters into the game, right, or jump scares and whatnot. So basically, they are pulling a lot from their experience of playing Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah. Hey, thanks Nano Blitz. Thank you. Yeah, I'm now working on a new one. So it's been about 2 to 3 years since I have a new IP. So because I've been stuck working on Serious Scramblers for different platforms. Now I'm ready to make a new one. Yeah. I make a new one and I start off with a small game first. Yeah. I think I will just keep doing smaller titles and eventually build out enough of a tool set to make a bigger title. Hopefully. Thanks, man. Thanks. So Chan, you've heard of Rotten Mage, eh? Rotten Mage, yeah, it was a fun time. There's a lot of struggles as well. I know, right? It's already, I think it's more than 2 years already. It's crazy, right? Time flies. Time flies. Because I was looking at it recently, I'm like, eh? I've been working on Serious Scramblers for how many years already? Like, I should be working on a new thing. Okay, I think I got this little thing running around. I think this should be okay. Shadow is a bit too dark, I think. Let me change it. Mm-hmm. 70 should do fine. And then I'll export it. Hang on, what time is it? Oh, I think I will go at 7:40. I don't want to be late for dinner. One less, please. What's that? No, Kaiser is not John. we follow each other on Twitter. Yeah. Or maybe you can show your YouTube channel. Oh, Nano. How am I going to monetize? How am I going to monetize this game? Oh, since it's a small game and on mobile, I definitely have to make the game free, and the only way to monetize it would be through advertisement. I feel like ad mob basically. Yeah, I think that's always the how do I put it? It's the part of development that I like the least, monetization. Yeah, I have to think about showing ads, but at the same time I have to make sure that the ads doesn't ruin the experience of the player. So I have to make it as non-intrusive as possible. No timers and paywalls. No, I'm not thinking of energy bars and paywalls. Timer. No. Oh, I don't know, man. Oh man, I'm thinking of how do I put it? For serious scramblers, I have I have this health bar, or basically I have these heart containers, right? And how I work with it is each time you die in serious scramblers, you lose a heart, right? And when you lose the final heart, the game will show you an advertisement. Yeah, something like that. But what I realized, or what happened is most people will play. Not, I wouldn't say most. I don't really have the numbers to back it up. But I realized a lot of people, right, will play until they have one heart, and then they will just close the game. So I don't make any money from that. Yeah, but I'll think about it. I'll think about what would be a good way to show ads. It has to be a right balance between the two. If I show ads too infrequently, then I don't make anything. But if I show it too much, then it ruins the player's experience. So I think it's a tough thing to balance. Yeah, shy about YouTube. What? Oh wait, you have a Twitch. Right. Let me shout you out. How do I shout out again? Let me see. Oh yeah, this is how I shout out, right? Let me see. Wait, I should shout out Chow as well. I forgot about it. Oh yeah, Amanda is here. Amanda, do you mind helping me with shouting out Chow? Thank you. Okay, that brings me to... Yeah, am I done for the day? Let me think. What else can I do? Yeah, I need to add a pause button, but I don't think I can add it before dinner. Let me just go to my mockup. Mockup? You like how a game called Badlands did it? It had worlds with stages, and you had to get enough points from all the stage combined to progress to the next world. Or you could pay a small fee. If you were good, you could play the whole game for free. Oh, that's an interesting approach. Okay. I'll have to check out Badlands. It sounds really familiar though. I've heard of the name before, but I've never actually seen the game. Let me just write it down before I forget. Check out Badlands. Cool. Thanks for sharing. Oops. I'm sorry. I don't know why everything just minimized itself. Okay. Yeah, I'll be going in 5 minutes, so I think I can just do some mock-up first. Pause button, how would it look? You know how iOS has this weird tip, right? Like they has this, whatever you call this thing. Right, it's always a guess, like how much space do I actually have here? Can I put a pause button here? And I don't have an iPhone X, so I can't really test it properly. Alright, and Amanda's sound pack, right? Hang on, let me just click it. Yeah, the iPhone X. There's this part in the middle, right? I think there's a camera here or something. Yeah, but I think we have to be very aware of how much space there is here. So I remember having some trouble, like my UI elements is like blocked by this thing. Yeah. And the only mobile device I have is a cheap, it's a really cheap, low-end Samsung phone. There we go. There's a sound pack here by Amanda. Cover art designed by Stock Glue. Oh, what's that? Cool. Yeah, you can check it out. I will check it out in a bit. Thanks for sharing, Amanda. Yeah, I think this is the camera, right? Yeah, I guess it's the camera part. Yeah. Must give attribution cause it's royalty free art. Ah, I see. I don't want pause button to stand out too much as well. Something simple like this will do, right? I think. Oh, it's a bit too big, isn't it? The pause button is a bit too big, isn't it? Let's make it small, as invisible as possible. Oh hey, Zuzuzuk. See you. Thanks for dropping by. Thank you so much. You know, in terms of user experience, right, there is a problem with serial scramblers that I've never really quite figured out the answer to. I'm not sure if you all have like better ideas. I mean, at this point, I'm not going to fix the game already, right? And it's already out in the market for a few years already. But on mobile, right, there is this usability issue that a few people has pointed out. You know, the game revolves around you going downwards, right? So you always have to look ahead and see if there's anything coming up, like any like obstacles, like spikes and whatnot. And the game is played by you having like both thumbs here. Can't draw. Yay. Thumb 1 and thumb 2. Right, and the problem becomes Hey yo, Willy! Oh, you want to rate me? Sorry, I blocked rates. Otherwise I get super stressed. But thanks, I appreciate it. Anyways, I have this problem where your thumb basically blocks all of this obstacle that you really need to see. And I'm not entirely sure if, how I can go about fixing a problem like this, you know. I mean, it's one thing if the player go upwards, because if it go upwards, right, you can see ahead without issue, right? You can see ahead without issue. Your thumb won't be blocking anything. But with serious scramblers, I have this problem. This my focus wasn't, you know, to grow. I mean, how do I put it? My main motivation for streaming is to force myself to work. So that's the primary goal for now. Yeah. Hey, see you, man. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, this is a problem that I've never really quite figured out how to solve. Yeah. But you can kind of see in Jump Joboa, right? Like, I make sure there's a lot of space here, right? So much so that it can fit a giant button. Yeah, and then the focus is up here. Don't know, man. I have to think about. I mean, I think this is an interesting thing to think about, but I'm not sure how to fix it. Don't forget to have the... Oh yeah, right. I will. Thanks for the reminder. Yeah, in any case, let me just make a simple sprite for the button and then I'll be off. Actually, I can make it bigger so that I can have the hitbox be bigger as well. So let me just resize this. 32. Center. Is it too big? Nah, it's fine. So I have space for the hitbox. And the good thing is, this empty space wouldn't be, like, it doesn't occupy anything in the texture atlas, so that's fine. Okay. Delete. 1, 2. Okay, yes, it's fine. Unless the bottom of the screen is like a funnel and the level comes out of it. But that might be another problem to transition it from smaller to bigger. Funnel. Oh, you mean like you mean like the level kind of like gets distorted at the bottom, like that? Oh, then that's where your thumb is, right? Your thumb can be here and here. Ah, I see. Right. Yeah, I see how you mean. Yeah. I think, if I'm not wrong, Downwell kind of just blanked out the bottom here and then have this huge button like that. I guess that's one way of doing it. Yeah. Yeah, the truth is, like, I only realized this problem like way too late into development, and then it's very hard to fix it because like all the level design is made with this height in mind. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Cool, man. Nice chat. Yeah, it's just something that I want to like bring up because I've never quite figured out the solution. Yeah, I'm not gonna change anything in serious scramblers really. It's out in the market for a few years. Okay, let me just export this pause button spreadsheet and then I'll be done. Save. That's it. Let me just run this. Well, thank you for being here. I'll do a quick recap, as usual. Then I'll be heading off to dinner. So, what did I do? What did I do? Oh right, yes. Well, you know, I changed the line pattern here, right? So the sprite has been changed. You can kind of see a very distinct arrow now. So it shows the direction of the progression of levels, something like that. Then I kind of make I draw a Jerboa on top of the active level, like so. So if I clear this level, right, then the Jerboa will appear on the next level. There we go. There we go. Tada! That is here. I think I need to do a bit more, right, to emphasize the progression, you know, from here to here. I think I need to do that. But this is polish. Yeah, I suppose that's a polishing task. It's also a little bit tedious to implement, but yeah, I'll do that at some point. Actually, yeah, that's all I did. That's all I did. That is all I did. Mini Jerboa looks cute. Hey, thanks. Mini Jerboa, yeah. I also make some changes, like the coloration of the arrows here are a bit darker than this one. This is lighter here, just to show a distinction between the areas that you have yet to explore and the areas that you have already completed. Yeah, okay. I shall correct here. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for dropping by. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, Chow, you're starting your stream soon. I'll hit by in a bit. Yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks Kaiser, thanks Chow, thanks Amanda. Okay, I'll be going. Oh, can we rate? Sure. How do you rate people actually? I've never done it before. If Chow has started, then let me see if I can rate. Hang on, eh? You have to teach me how to do it. Hang on. Let me go to my dashboard. As a stream manager, rate channel. I see a rate channel button. Let me click on that. No, Chow is not live yet. Slash rate? I don't think Chow is live, you know. Hang on. Is Chow live? Are you live now? Alright, okay, let's do it. Let's do it. I have a button here. Chow. Why doesn't it show up here? Eh? Hang on. Slash rate. Like that? Okay. I'm gonna try. There we go. This channel is intended for mature audience. Alright, thanks everyone for dropping by, man. Okay, I'm gonna do the rating. Click.